Meaning of engaged.
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 Engaged. The word engaged has several meanings depending on the context. However, in general, it refers to a state of being busy, occupied, or involved in some activity or task. It could also refer to a pledge to marry someone. In a professional setting, it implies that a person is committed to their work and actively participating in it. In social situations, it indicates that a person is attentive and interacting with others. In summary, engaged can describe a state of involvement, being occupied, or committed to something, whether it be work, a relationship, or an activity.